Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and comment below because both those things really help my channel a lot. It helps my channel get to be seen, and it helps the algorithm where they'll push it out to other people. So I really would appreciate it. Alright, so I am in an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I do post on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday for those of you who don't know that. Alright, today is card day, and we are making, look at this adorable card. It's a wobble card, y'all. Oh my goodness. I love these little wobbles. I'll link in the description where I got the wobbles because I know I'll get questions. I also get a lot of questions about how I store my 12 by 12 paper. So I'll put that link in the description as well because I think at least once or twice a week I get someone asking that. Alright, so this is what I'm sharing today. I love this stamp set. It's so adorable. It is called This Birthday Piggy. Look how cute this is. I love this little one on the scooter. It says we. It's really cute. There's a lot of really cute sentiments on it. But we're using It's Your Birthday, and we're going to use the little birthday cake and balloon one right here. And it's really simple to do. Let me just tell you everything we need for this. So I am using Coastal Cabana or Bermuda Bay on this one, not Coastal Cabana. And this piece is 5.5 by 4.25. This is a regular card base. And then the mat is Flirty Flamingo, and it is 5.25 by 4.25. And then what we're stamping on is 5 by 4. So we're going to layer it like this. It's just so bright and cheerful. I really think it's so adorable with the brighter colors. But you can do it however you like. Alright, so that is all that you're going to need for this. First thing we're going to do is we are going to color the background. So I'm using my blending brush, and I am using Bermuda Bay because that's the color that we are using for this. And I'm going to grab a piece of scrap here because I always will brush off here first before I take it to my card. And we're just going to start. And I'm just kind of going in a circle. I'm not coloring the whole background. I'm just coloring it like in a little shaded circle part. The edges are all going to stay white. This is basic white thick, by the way, because if you haven't tried it yet, you need to. I use it for all my boxes and all my card bases. It's really good because it's a really good quality and thickness. Alright, so we are going to just color that, and I think that's probably all that I'm going to do on this one. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this for a second, and we are going to squeeze it. And I'm going to squeeze it hard enough to get some of the ink on the bottom of the pad like that. We need to keep it open. And first thing that I'm going to do is just spritz it a little bit with water because I want some little droplets in the background. Don't put your pad there because that's not a good idea. And then I usually just take a piece of paper or a paper towel, and it gives you these little specks on it. It's really cute. It almost looks like a galaxy to me. That's what I always think of when I do that. And then I'm using my water brush, and we're going to pick up water from here and the ink. And then I'm going to splatter this. And these are our water brushes that we carry. It just looks more festive. Giving it a little bit of a festive look here, background. Alright. And let me brush that off. I usually just try to squeeze the water out, and then I usually clean the end of the brush when I'm done here. Alright, so that is all that we're doing for that. It's going to dry really quickly. And then we are going to stamp, and we're going to stamp with Memento Black, we're going to stamp our little piggy. And you do have to fussy cut these, but if you have a scan and cut, use your scan and cut. Isn't it so cute though? Oh my goodness. So by the magic of video, I did cut out a bunch because I'm going to make a bunch of these. So we are going to use the little piggy. I did use my scan and cut for this one, but for this one right here, I did fussy cut it. And it's really easy to fussy cut because there's a lot of straight lines there, nothing too difficult. And I know some of you hate fussy cutting, but you need to get a scan and cut if you hate fussy cutting. It's a miracle saver. All right, I'm going to use Pale Papaya Light and Dark. I'm using Flirty Flamingo Light and Dark, Pool Party Light and Dark, Bermuda Bay Light and Dark, and then for the candle flame, I'm using Daffodil Delight. And one thing, if you do use your scan and cut, you probably won't see it on here, but you have to like connect a line to where it's broken and where you want it. And I need to erase that and then even up on your flame, you need to put two little straight lines going down here and here, and it will connect your flame to the candle and it won't cut it off. That's just a little trick that I learned, but it works very, very well. So we're just going to use that. We're making the cake Flirty Flamingo and Pool Party, so we're going to color it first. And I'm using the light here. We're just going to dress it up a little bit with the dark. I'm going to almost make it look like, I'll show this closer when you get there. If I put it closer, I will forget. I always forget to put it back out, and then I have to do the whole video over. I know it doesn't help too much, but I'm making it look like frosting is dripping here. And I'll show you that really quick. It's just right up at the top. I don't know if you can see that well there. And I'm doing the exact same thing with the Pool Party. I'm doing the light first. I'm going to do the top part here too in Pool Party. And then I am going to just use the dark. Oops, got to use the little end here for like the little frosting dripping. And I'm just doing it from the very top. It just gives it a little bit more of an accent. I'm also using crumb cake too, and that is for the bottom here. And this is the light. I'm also doing the bottom of the plate here. And then we're going to color the balloon, and we're going to color the balloon Bermuda Bay. And we're going to color the light first. And then we'll just shade it a little bit with the dark. And again, I'll show you this completed really close up when I get done. And I'll just blend in the light and dark so it blends it. All right, now for our little piggy, we are using Pale Papaya, and we're going to color him all Pale Papaya, and then I am going to, this is the light, and then I'm going to shade him a little bit. It's so cute. This little pig is such adorable. I love this little stamp set. It's so darn cute. Of course, you know how I love to color. All right, now with the dark, I'm going to do like his ear here, and do under here a little bit, and then his nose and the ends of his feet, and then under here. And then I'm just going to blend it really good with the light here. If you work really quickly with these blends, the blending is so beautiful without any effort. All right, so there he is, all ready to go. I didn't color the candle, I just liked it white, but you can color that. But look at how cute he is. I hope you can see that. He's so adorable. I love him. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to attach this piece to our base, and I'm just going to use my Stamp and Seal. I think. Oh, I grabbed the one that the ink ran out of. And then this is going to go on here. And then we're going to attach this here. But first I want to stamp the sentiment. So I'm going to use Memento Black. And I need to get this on straighter because I think the last time I did it a tiny bit crooked. I used my grid paper, by the way, to straighten that out. It says, "It's your birthday." So cute. And I just like the plainness of this. I didn't want to add any embellishments or anything to it. I just liked that it was very nice and plain, and the little pig was the center of attention. Let me see if I can get this on straight. But we're going to do it. There we go. All right, now to put our little wobble on, we are going to take the backing off. There's little adhesive on these, so you just have to remove the adhesive. And my nails, I just cut them shorter because they were driving me crazy. So now I can't take anything off. I need to use my Take Your Pick tool. And then we're going to put this on the back of our little piggy here. And then there's adhesive on this side. And you just take the adhesive off here. And make sure when you put it on the card, you get it on straight, because you don't want him to be lopsided. And then just press it down, and there you have it. I would put a piece of basic white on the inside, so I would use the 5x4 in the inside for your sentiment. I'm going to do that later, but I didn't do it this time. But look how cute he is. Isn't that so cute? I hope you enjoy this one because it's super quick, easy, and a really fun one to do. Today's the last day of May. This is my hostess code. And if you want to join my team, it's the last day to get the extra $65 of in-color products. You will get the stamp sets, cardstock. There's a bunch of things. $65 extra plus your $125 and free product of your choice. And if you want to join my team, just go to my blog at StampingWithAmore.com and you can click join my team. I don't talk about it enough, and I really need to, and I should. I hope you enjoyed it, everyone, because you can get a discount and not have to sell a thing. If you have any questions, you can contact me on my blog at StampingWithAmore@gmail.com, and there is a contact section on my blog as well. Have a blessed one, everyone. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.